Next one. This one is from Ramon, I think. Cinnamon, excuse me. Cinnamon Buffalo Sasquatch. What a name. Good afternoon. Do you have a process for de-optimizing a page? For example, I have an e-commerce site where the category pages are ranking for keywords like product price or product value. I want to create new pages to target those types of keywords and have the category page rank for keywords like buy product or product for sale, etc. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that just because I don't do e-com. I just don't do e-commerce, and that's what it sounds like you're doing. And that's just not something that I'm going to have any kind of valid recommendations for because I just don't do that kind of SEO. Anchor text links, things like that. Like how are the pages internally linked? That has an influence on it. How are the pages titled? What words or phrases, so search queries or keywords, are in the heading tags of the page? Like for local SEO, I know that Google isn't really paying attention to the content of a page. What Google is looking at are the main optimization elements of the page, which is the URL, titles, headings, subheadings, and internal linking. That's what Google's looking at. It's not looking at the content between the headings, right? That should be optimized for conversions, not for Google right now in local search. I'm telling you, guys, it's a waste of time if you're trying to optimize the content between the headings and subheadings for Google right now. Just optimize your URL, titles, headings, subheadings, and internal linking, and Google will understand what the page is about. So then you should focus on your content, should be focused on conversion optimization. What is compelling to get the reader, the visitor, whatever, to take whatever conversion goal it is that you want them to take. That should be what you're writing copy for now, not for search, because you optimize at the structure level for pages right now, that for local search at least, you optimize the structure of the page, and that's what Google's looking at, right? And so like these types of things, like you got to look at the headings, guys. Like I don't know about e-commerce. I'm assuming that is also relevant to e-com, but I don't know. I don't do e-com. Okay. Full disclosure. But look at the main optimization elements of the page. SEO title, well, the URLs, that's always the first touch point. By the way, guys, how do large language models find pages on the site or find things to crawl through URLs? So URLs and backlinks aren't going anywhere. Like backlinks aren't going to go away anytime soon. That's the first touch point for any crawler is the URL. So look at the URL, look at the SEO title, look at the H1, look at the H2s, which are headings, look at all the subheadings, H3s, 4s, 5s, look at internal links, menu links, etc. And try to, you can change what Google understands about a page by changing those main optimization elements, links that are pointing to the page, both internally and externally, all of that. Okay. But as far as straight up product SEO type stuff, I can't help you with that because it's just not my area of expertise.